Hi friends! Today we're going to do our sound deck together, so make sure you say the sounds at home with me. Here we go. C, cup, k. I, itch, I. L, leaf, l. H, house, h. V, Valentine, v. U, umbrella, a. X, box, x. F, fish, f. E, hello, eh. D, Delilah, d. G, goat, g. P, pig, p. O, octopus, aw. Z, zipper, z. B, bat, b. Q, queen, qu. W, wagon, w. S, Skylar, s. N, nest, n. K, kata, k. M, Mufan, m. J, jam, j. R, rabbit, r. T, table, t. Y, yarn, y. A, apple, a, or a, Asia, a. All right, let's go on to our blends and our consonant clusters. Sw, st, sk, sm, sk, sp, pl, sh, k, th, or th. Floss roll, z, s, l. And these last two are for some of my friends who know E and Good job. See you next time.